Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening YouTube and playing the exact video you want to keep audio from. This primes the stream. Once it begins, make sure you're signed and Premium unlocks background play, but alternatives exist. Then check app volume and device do not disturb. These prevent interruptions. If you're on mobile, lower video quality to 480p or 360p to reduce buffering. Now, prepare the control actions you'll use next so you don't lose audio when switching apps. Once the video plays, switch methods depending on device. On Android, tap Home to trigger picture-in-picture. On iOS, enable Pi-P in settings and swipe up or press Home. On desktop, open a new tab and use the browser's media controls or pop the video into a separate window. If you lack Premium, use YouTube Music or a browser extension that forces audio-only playback. This reduces CPU and lets audio persist. Make sure to keep the controlling tab or app running in the background. To finalize, lock the screen and use the device media widget or notification controls to pause, play, or skip without reopening YouTube. If audio cuts out, first refresh the tab or app, then disable battery saver or aggressive app sleep settings. These commonly kill background playback. If Pi-P fails, force close and relaunch YouTube, or switch to YouTube Music for more reliable background audio. One troubleshooting tip: check app permissions for background activity and unrestricted data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.